Good morning, this is Mrs. Heath, and today we're going to talk about printing with escape sequences. All right, so escape sequences. When you're coding in Java and you use an open quote to start the string, the compiler automatically looks for the next quote as an indication that you want to close the string. So, how would I convince the compiler to allow me to print something like good morning, happy, and then in quotes, drop day? Introducing escape sequences. So in this example, as you can see, I used Eclipse and I put in a system out println and then good morning, exclamation point in double quotes. Okay, so when I ran this, the compiler understands good morning and it prints it, no problem. But what if I wanted to print this? Good morning, exclamation point, quote, happy drop day, unquote. Even if I put the closing quotes on there, okay, I get errors. And you can see here, exception in the thread, unresolved complications. It doesn't understand the token, quote, happy, unquote. It just gets real confused. Okay, so here's what we need to do. We need to use an escape sequence to tell the compiler that we actually want that double quote printed. And here's how. These are examples of escape sequences. Now, I took these right off the internet, and you can go out there yourself and find lots of different samples, tables, and escape sequences, even ones that aren't here. And I would like you to go put some in your journal, the ones you think you might use the most. For example, single quote, double quote, a backslash, a tab. There's a number of them that you might find useful in your coding as we go through. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next slide. All right, so here's how an escape sequence would work to print what I wanted to print before with the quotes inside the quotes. All right, so I printed, quote, good morning, exclamation point, and then I used an escape sequence here, backslash, double quote, happy drop day, exclamation point, and then another backslash double quote, meaning I want to actually print this right here, and I want to print this one right here, and then close the string with a double quote. And then, of course, I end the line with a semicolon. And when I print it, I get my expected result with the quote.